Hello everyone! Today we have a cool drawing of Goku. First of all, we will draw his big eyes, nose, and mouth. His face and attractive hair like this. His eyebrows. Now we will move on to the body, hands, and the outline of his clothes. Wow! His fists are ready for fight. Details. He is super cool. Coloring time. He has big red eyes and spiky hair. He looks strong and confident. So good. His hair is a mix of red and purple. Amazing color. Goku is wearing his orange fighting outfit. His blue wristbands match his outfits. This drawing is perfect for kids to learn. Do you want to draw Goku too? Try it! Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.